Oteta Senle Sari Mevajigene Loto no did the Lama kitchen Morris.
So in that way, without having any kind of discursive thought in one's mind, and then from one's core of heart supplicating to the Guru, and doing that prayer is important in general.
Lama de some son de tanti dani regichado what in the embodied thought dito jagres.
So that the Guru is the just contents nature of all the Buddha family and pervasive nature of all the three root deities, and in that way one need to have a sense of determination in one's mind.
Sen de don shima garijong songju trubala pache tanti sevra cheba chotu mo ngoro tanti devra cheba lamarane soras.
So within this lifetime or even in the next life, to engage into practice to attain enlightenment, and then one need to supplicate to the Guru, and not only that, to receive all the supreme blessings and accomplishment, and also to clear out all sorts of obstacles. Then one just engage into the supplication prayer to the Lama.
Lama te son jikundi doni jinkur jumping nado te register tagiere te la de ripa zeti de te bar mugigeni losanda kelle te now languages.
So in generally we do visualize and understand the Guru or the Lama as the condensed nature of all the past, present, future Buddhas, and then the pervasive nature of all the Buddha family, and as the principal deity of the mandala, and to that where one need to have sense of the complete devotion and faith, and then the inclination with the sense of just confidence and determination. Then if one do the supplication prayer, then one can get a complete blessing.
What did the Majebala? Son Ramana Mamboji Kor, Tera Mambo Sanduna, the wrong jewel, she loved you to Maris.
So otherwise, if we have all sorts of discursive thought and conceptualizing and having many doubts and not just having a single pointed devotion, then it is more difficult to receive the blessing. So that within one's mind have some sense of determination as to the Guru, and then doing that supplication prayer, and then according to that whatever practices one engage into, if one just follow, then one can get all the result. So it has been said that if you could abandon all sorts of doubts and hesitation, then you could accomplish the actual meaning. So that's why just thinking too much or conceptualizing, that doesn't benefit at all. So if one think, oh, he is also a human being, I'm also a human being, and thinking in that way, then we will never just have any kind of accomplishment. So as in the Dharma, how it has been taught, that to have that pure perception. So in our mind, or as our perception, normally, only we could to perceive all this ordinary or impure perception until we could to just have certain level of purification. So, as how it has been taught in these texts and teaching, according to that, one just try to develop the sense of devotion, faith, and pure perception, and then with the inclination towards the Guru, and then engage into practice.
Lama le ala kesong tawa ya je maris rong so so le trip to ba che do ta tu de to ba de di ni ba de rong so che la yaris.
So just you all supplicating to the Guru and just doing that prayer, not necessarily Lama would receive any kind of benefit or some kind of any result. It is just for one's own benefit to purify one's karmic obscurations, and then ultimately one could to achieve that ultimate happiness.
Me world ji tauka tarjide noruim no te ha ma go ne topar trombo jin don de.
So for example, like somebody who is a very poor guy, but in his just kitchen or house where have the kind of wish fulfilling gem, but if one could not recognize, then one will be just poor for a whole lifetime. So in case that person could recognize that it is the wish-fulfilling gem, and then one do pray to it, then one could instantly clear out all sorts of poverty and suffering in one's life.
They don't understand. So jikundi doni ke insan ne lama sawatarna, he tapane sawatarna, guru te togres.
So similar like that. If one just understand and have that sense of devotion that the Guru is the condensed nature of all the Buddha, and then from one's core of heart, if one do that supplication prayer, then one can also receive all the blessing. So if one could not think properly and have some sense of the devotion, then being just abiding in that way, then one would not receive anything.
Lama tu jezi the katan kienule ronla no to bache chatu maras.
So that in our Guru Yoga, where we say, "Oh, please, Guru, take care of me," and that not just only you saying in a words and not really feeling, then one would not have any experience or blessing.
Ne lama le mate tepa shege mugu shege se lama le kele ke lama ngoso shunlege ron le ni pa chitinga maras.
So just only expressing, oh yeah, I have so much devotion and I have so much respect to my Guru, and kind of like expressing word, not necessarily it just kind of bring any result.
Nyamdong to pa de ni ne yar njura me pa de dembo chi yena remba gendo togre.
So if one have certain experiences, certain kind of just realization in the sense that without any kind of just disturbance or something very stabilized in one's mind, then that is the actual result and then the benefit.
I don't know the July sem de koronje kimarabote nyomon bi to so to ba dagures.
So that this our present mind and kind of it's just like skin, which is the all sorts of afflictive emotion, that which we need to purify.
Te rong so so ki. Te ba dano ji gene. Ni ta ba ne njura me ba ji gene. Che de nya so le ji ke che wa re.
So in that way, with the sense of devotion and pure perception, and then that feeling from one's core of heart, and then doing the supplication prayer, and then engage into practice, that which is in generally it is important in the spiritual path.
Ta da lo ba jin be che song je la chung mon ro sa long che che de ge ne na tang je ji che din ra bo sa ra bo de na re de le ro so to chi nya so le do te no gi ji sa me ge sa no tong ne nya so le gu res.
So during our retreat time, that the instructions and teachings from the Buddha in the palm of hand, such as the Ngando preliminary practices, and then the Tsalung, and then the Tekchu instructions, and then Tegel teachings, these all are the just root of all the Dharma practice, and at the same time it is the just peak. And according to that, if one just concentrate and then contemplate and then engage into practice, then one could have the result. So one have to concentrate and contemplate on those meanings of teaching. And other than that, there is no any other else that is something better or something higher than that.